Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your boy Crypto Mechanic, and right here guys on this channel I'm going to be showing you guys the easiest way through which you can earn yourself free USDT right here on your Kucoin account. All right, so if you don't have a Kucoin account, first of all, Kucoin is a trading exchange or crypto trading platform where you trade your free crypto. It is very safe and reliable. So if you want to get an account, the link is going to be dropped on the description of this video. Make sure you use the link on the description of this video to get yourself a new Kucoin account. So right now, to continue, I'm going to be showing you guys the easiest way you can earn yourself free USDT right here on your Kucoin account, and it is working very well. So if you're watching this video right now for the first time on our channel, I welcome you to my channel. Over here on my channel, I will teach you guys how to make money completely free of charge on the crypto space without having to make any single investment. So if you're new to our channel, please kindly expose us and also kindly support the channel by subscribing to our YouTube channel using the subscription button right here. So if you're watching this video right now, you should simply scroll down below the video you're watching right now. You are going to be seeing this button right here. You should simply go ahead and tap on it. So when you tap on the subscription button like this, you have subscribed to our YouTube channel, and also this bell icon right here that's going to show up. When you click on it, you select all. In that way, YouTube is going to be sending you notification immediately we drop any new video. All right, so after that guys, you go ahead and give this video a like this, and also put a very nice and interesting comment right here, and share this video to any social media platform of your choice. All right, so right now, by doing that, you also stand a chance of getting yourself free BNB, which we do on a daily basis. And also right here on our Telegram channel, this is where we announce our winners, because we also choose people randomly to give them free BNB. People who have subscribed and also done what I just asked right now, we choose them randomly and give them free BNB. And also right here on our Telegram channel, we give people opportunities, and also we expose a lot of things to people on this crypto space. So right now, let's now continue and learn how we can be able to earn ourselves free USDT right here on our Kucoin. All right, so if you're using Kucoin, you should know that Kucoin is very seamless, and also it gives you a lot of trading opportunity, and there are a lot of gems right here which pumps every week, which I'm going to be exposing on my later videos. All right, so right now, to get started on earning ourselves free USDT, what you need to do right now is simply create an account and also make sure that you have verified it. All right, so once you have done with that, you should simply click on this admin button right here. So I have to click on it like this. So once I click on it, you can see that this is my account and I have verified it. So once you create an account, you should go ahead and verify it. All right, so when you are done with that, creating your account, what you need to do next is to simply scroll down like this. You are going to be seeing a button that looks like this. All right, so over here you can see in a button like just like share to friend like this. So this is where we're going to be claiming our free USDT. All right, so when I click on this share to friend like this is where everything happens. So over here I'm going to be seeing a red packet button. Once I click on it, so I will click on the red packet. So once I click on the red packet, what I need to do next is simply go ahead and select claim. All right, so I'm going to be selecting claim right now right here. So I will click on claim. So once I click on claim right here, you can see this is where everything happens. So over here I need to click right here claim like this. Once I click on claim like this is gonna be prompting me to do some cool stuff right here. You can see you have received USDT red packet right now. So love from Crypto Mechanic. So right, I need to do right now is simply tap on it like this. Once I tap on it, it's gonna roll up and boom, this is gonna be giving me free USDT right now. So on your own, this is exactly what you are gonna be seeing. So what you need to do right now to earn yourself the free USDT that we are talking about right here on your Kucoin is simply paste the code that I'm gonna be pasting right now. So first of all, the first code is to capital letter T, and next one is 4, and also another one capital letter A, and also the next one is capital letter P, and the next one is small letter D, and the small letter G, and the small letter K. So this code is the code that you need to earn yourself free USDT. So I must make it clear for everyone right now that this code is only gonna be lasting for 24 hours. So if you are viewing this video for after 24 hours, it means that you have missed this opportunity. So to stand a better chance of getting this opportunity when we drop it next time is to simply subscribe and make sure that your notification bell is turned on, so that when we drop the next code, you are going to be among the people that's going to be claiming it immediately. We do it before it expires after 24 hours. So once you have input this code that I just input right now, the next thing you need to click is simply click on claim. So once you click on claim, you can see invalid code. The reason why it's saying invalid code is because I'm the one that actually created it. So once you input this code on your own, you are going to be credited with free USDT. All right, so That is all about this video. You should give it a try right now to see that it works very well. All right, so but I can't claim it because I'm actually the one that created it. All right, so this is simply how it works, and that is how you get yourself free USDT. I believe you enjoyed the video. Please do well to try it out on your phone and tell me what you think about it, if it works or not. All right, but remember, this is only gonna last for only 24 hours. So when you type in the code and you are done with that, that is what you need to this is how you earn it. All right, see over here when you click on share, I have to click on share like this. You can see this is the code that you need to earn yourself the free USDT that we are talking about. So this is the code right here, and also this is the link. So everything is going to be on the description of the video. Make sure you check it out to know how you can be able to earn yourself free USD right now before it expires. All right, but don't worry, even if it expires, we will also drop the next one in the future. So make sure that you are up to date on our channel so that you get to know when we're going to be dropping the next one. So this is what you need to do right now before it expires. So thank you, and that is all you need to know about this video on how to earn yourself free USDT. So thank you, and I hope to see you guys on my videos that is dropping very soon. Peace out, guys.